promise, we didn't mean to do that.
All right, we are here at Oregon Trail Rally in, you guessed it, Oregon, and parts of it, Washington. Now we're here at the, was this the last stage?
Last service, we have 2 stages left. It's been a fun 3 days here for the Oregon Trail Rally. We started off Friday night with 2 stages at Portland International Raceway. That had 8 great stages yesterday. Not in Oregon though, in Washington, across the Columbia in Washington.
Cold turn, turn right 3 flat, 30 left 2 flat.
So we're about halfway through the second day here. Starting to pick up and rain, but how is Lia doing so far, in your opinion?
She's exceeding expectations. Very easy statement to say, but she really is. Her performances today are consistent, the times are good.
Dealing with like a few mechanical problems thus far during the race, right? Have you guys got it sorted, or you know what it was?
Yeah, I mean, last night we had like a gear selection problem, which was unfortunate because she was basically, she was extremely quick on the first stage and it looked like she was going to be repeated. That would have put her like 23rd overall, but we lost some time at the stage finish. So the boys, they changed the box last night. Just had like a loss of power here, so we just changed everything to fuel pump to oils, spark plugs, cam sensors, and just making sure that it's sorted.
Nice. Well, she gets to go out there with more power. I like it. Hell yeah. Thank you, Derek.
Dot. 200. Open. Into. 95, left 6, kinks 100, danger, crest into short, left 4 minus, don't in, 30, right 4, danger 30, left 3 plus late, narrow, danger. 70 clear, left over crest into right 1 plus, 30, left 5 minus, 50. Right 6 long,
Are you having fun?
No.
Come here, tell me what happened.
2 miles. I had 2 miles of stage left. Coming down the super fast downhill section.
Lost the gearbox?
Yep.
Yep, okay. Just coast it. Nothing? Okay. Get right here. Stop by this sign.
No symptoms at all, just engine just blew. We were like,
Yeah. Like,
thought it was a transmission. I tried to shift, I was like, yep, we're done.
now did it make like a clatter? Yeah.
Yep.
Hey, well that's perfect Hoonigan fashion, right?
I want to finish the rally, thank you.
Well, it's always better to blow up than to like lose.
It's always better than DNF. Get second.
Wasn't your fault.
right 5. Late, wrong.
So it's gone very well. We've had some mechanical issues.
30, right 4, don't.
We have something wrong.
I don't see a warning. And
I've lost all power. I think it's restarting it, but
right 5 plus long, it's only 2 miles left.
basically an ECU issue that's cost me about 40 seconds and cost me battling for the lead. But that's rally. It's been a great last event of the year, battling with Brandon Semenik and Travis Pastrana, and Brandon's just had a perfect event. But it has been an incredible last rally to the year. Some of the funnest stages of the entire championship yesterday, with really fast stuff that was wet and muddy. Did some really technical stuff where I happened to clip a sign, a stop sign.
Oh. 200. Care. We promised we didn't mean to do that.
You know, trying to get the Formula Drift, you know, slide by. And,
Yeah, clipping points, man.
yeah, clipping point. And unfortunately, the car just gripped a little bit more on this really slippery surface than I thought. I just nicked it and it spun me around. Maybe 6 or 7 seconds with that. But today we've had some fun stages. There's a water splash, there's a big jump. I actually really need this ESP today because flat out 6 gear all the way to this jump, and even over the jump, still flat out 6 gear landing for another quarter mile till we actually finally break into a corner.
So real fast and real big.
Yeah, so I think we're flying about 120 feet.
Nice.
So I've actually been using this right here, both sides. And yes, the stuff really does work. But yeah, there's a great jump here. We have photos in the past, not only of one of my Fiestas, but the Kazi with Mount Hood in the background. Usually this rally is in the spring, and you get these beautiful shots of Mount Hood in the background, but we're now in the fall, and Mount Hood and Mount Adams have been socked in the entire time we've been here in clouds. 2 stages left.
Big jump and a big water crossing.
Yeah, another run at the big jump, another run at the water crossing, and then finish here in town. So it's been a great rally. We're still going to be finishing up, and thanks again to CBDMD for the help. I really appreciate it. Big jumps, sore neck.
3, 2, 1. Right 6 open, tightens into water, cut 17, slippy. Right 3, tighten. Okay. 30, left 6 into crest, Kings 180. Go. 150.
It's my dude right there. To end this episode off, I think we should show this one tarmac stage. There's one tarmac stage called Maryhill in our entire championship. So it's only a couple miles long. It's very tight and twisty, but it's really fun. There's a lot of cuts, a lot of what we call hooks, where we use at the inside of the corner to hold the wheel in so we can actually carry more speed through the corner. We did it both during the day in the daylight and at night. Enjoy.
And quick note, that was also the very first paved road in the state.
Yeah, that is a weird bit of information.
3, 2, 1, 100, turn right 3 minus cut long, into, left 3 minus cut, opens, 30, left 5 minus into, right 5 minus, 30, turn, left 3 minus cut, late, 70, right 3, tightens hill, cut after bush, 300, left 4 plus very long, tightens little, sleepy maybe, 50, right 5, opens, tightens 5 minus, 50, right 2 plus very long, cut, 30, left 5, tightens, 4 plus, 70, left 2 plus, extra long, into right 3 plus, hook, long, opens, 100, right 5 plus, 100, left 2 plus, late, long, into right 3 minus, don't, in, 100 line, right 4, 100 line, right 4 plus, 50 left 3 minus, late, long, into right 3 minus, cut, 70, right 3 plus, hook, opens very long, and left 3, long, 100, left 3 minus, very long, tightens little, into right 2 plus, extra long, slippy, neat, into left 4 plus, short, to left 3 minus, long, tightens, opens into right 3, opens extra long, left 4 plus, 30, right 2 plus, extra long, cut, into left 2 plus, very long, into right 3 long, 30, finish into turn left to go. Okay, 247.
All right, Ken, end of the race, you know.
Yep, here at the finish, got 3rd overall. I think Alex figured out we probably lost about 40 seconds with the mechanical issues we were dealing with, which first took us out of battling for the win, and then for battling for 2nd today. So that's a bummer, but it was a good event. We ended up 2nd overall in the championship. Travis won, locked that up a couple events ago, and we locked up 2nd today. So not bad. And this little girl did awesome this weekend. Too bad she lost a motor yesterday and she had to sit around and watch us race today. Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed the race.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the watching?
No.
But she started off the event very strong with your 22nd on stage 1, right?
I think so.
Something like that. Which is pretty good for her first ever stage out of 70 entries.
72 actually.
72 entries. She was 22nd. So she did better than we actually expected. Do you think you'll be back?
Yep.
Oh.
You'll see me again.
Oh.
Oh, also, I completely doubled my speed factor.
So she started off as like a 25 and she got to like a 50 speed factor, which normally most drivers in this class don't get that till like the 3rd or 4th rally. So starting off quick. Proud dad. Proud dad.
Hey, in all seriousness, like how does it actually feel? Like your firstborn is now like kind of following in your footsteps.
I don't know, does that mean I have to stop?
I mean,
Well, I still have to beat you first.
Okay.
Then he can stop.
Oh.
yeah, you gotta keep going, dude.
Wow.